The SoundVizVR plugin can help developers to visualize the sounds in their VR projects in the Unity platform. For example, in this VR project in the Unity, there is a telephone object making a phone ringing sound. To make the sound accessible, we import the SoundVizVR plugin and drag the SoundVizVR Manager prefab into the project. Then, we will do a quick setup in the Manager prefab. After binding the virtual camera to the plugin, we assign a sound indicator to the phone object, which is the sound source. To set up the indicator, we need to write a descriptive text of the sound, add the icon representing the sound, bind the phone object to the indicator, and slightly adjust some parameters to make the indicator visually apparent. Finally, we select a representation pattern for the sound type. And now in the game, you can see the phone ringing sound has been visualized with an icon in the minimap and a descriptive text above the phone object. We can also use icons for the on-object indicator and text for the minimap indicators. And there are other combinations available for the representation methods. In our preliminary study, a VR treasure hunt game and a VR volleyball game were developed or improved using the SoundVizVR plugin. For more details, please see our paper.